We are in the Ferrari A12 GTS, just an exceptional car with the NLargo exhaust system. In today's video, I found it fit not to talk too much because the car does it for itself. The goodness. Poop. All right, it's a little tunnel. Bonkers, 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 bonkers. Right here, that's what this is, right here. Oh, listen to it. Let me know what you guys think about this exhaust system. Let me know what you think about this GTS N-Largo. Whoa, there we have it. There's probably not a better car to drive than the A12 GTS N-Largo out here in the mountains in Italy. Personally, this is the shiz. The way that this car looks is ridiculous. It's so sexy, and with the roof down, that Novitec exhaust pipe just makes it amazing. So let's quickly talk about the NLargo kit on this car. First of all, this one is 14 centimeters wider than the standard GTS. We've got a lot of carbon fiber. The entire NLargo kit is actually made out of carbon fiber. You can see visible portions of carbon fiber, and then the NLargo kit that's been worked in and also painted in the same body color. That's gorgeous red, ruby red, wine red, gorgeous red. That's obviously covering some of the carbon fiber, but it starts here in the front with that front bumper, then the air moving in front, in there underneath here, these exiting bits in carbon fiber. There's a portion here above the bonnet, and when we move on to the side, a massive side skirt carbon fiber, beautiful carbon fiber accent on the mirror caps then, and also there's an air vent here at the back, that's also in carbon fiber. Now you can see that this car rides lower on our sport suspension. Yes, it just needs that. Any supercar, any sports car needs to ride low. And of course these gorgeous NF10 center lock rims look superb in this car, hiding the massive carbon ceramic brakes to stop you when you're going super fast. Now the A12 GTS is a V12 convertible, 6.5 liters naturally aspirated. 50 years ago, that Ferrari last made a non-limited front-engined V12 Ferrari convertible. And that's why the GTS was actually made, to commemorate that 50 years later. All that power that it develops, 840 horsepower and more than 700 Newton meters of torque, gets sent just to the back tires, which is, Oh, it's just such a phenomenal driving experience, this car. It is breathtaking and it sounds ridiculous with that Novitec exhaust pipe. That exhaust is a masterpiece. Such an epic thing. I can't believe this is my job. Thank you, God. I think that makes out so much about driving an N-Largo. And I'm saying an N-Largo because we also have the TDF and the F8 that we just launched a couple of days ago. And I'd love you guys to tell us in the comments which one is your favorite N-Largo. Tip away, we'd love to know what your opinion is in that sense as well. But what I wanted to say is the fact that so many supercars and so many sports cars nowadays are just so soft. And I thank the Lord that this car exists without an exhaust pipe. It's just mental. We have got the decibel meter. We're going to measure just how loud this exhaust is. God bless everybody else that's listening, because it's going to just go all the way from here to Rome and they'll know about it. We are being chased by the rain so badly, which is why we literally had to stick on the roof. You can see how wet the car is. And now the sun came out. It's just ballistic over here. But of course we do need to measure how loud this car is with our sports suspension, with our sports exhaust system. So Maurice, give it the beans. And yet we have that. Over here at the top it said over as in I can't do this anymore. Okay, we're just going to measure in case somebody says, yeah, well, the wind makes that noise. That's the wind noise that you have out here because it's just pouring down like crazy. One more thing about this car, there's only 18 of them. I know many of you are going to cry in the comments. 18 and all of them are sold. So feast your eyes on this, because pretty soon, well, you're never going to see another one unless somebody's bought it already, because they're all gone. Lovely. I'm super slow down in the corners, low down in speed, so I am going back into first gear. Sail happy, trigger happy, let's go. This thing is vuurwarm. Vuurwarm, that means hot as brick. Bear in mind the roof's down. This is a convertible, 1,645 kilograms dry weight. And it needs all of that because it is necessary to make these cars more rigid, since it doesn't have the roof to do their job. How's it, buddy? And still, it manages with those 840 horsepower to get you to 100 in just under 3 seconds. Top speed, 340. Thank you very much. What a car this are. What a car this are. Oh, Mensa. Oh, look how the weather's changing. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a little tunnel, there's a little tunnel, there's a little tunnel. Oh, there's a cyclist. Oh my gosh, I'm driving in the snow. That's like making music. Yes, sir. I am playing my NLargo. They said when it drizzles, put on the roof or drive faster. Let's just put the roof back on. Oh, what a sight! You can literally see about all of 30 meters ahead of you. Whoa. So many hidden gems out here in the mountains, including this little girl over here. What a gorgeous car. The 14 centimeters wider that we mentioned before is actually predominantly at the back. This has been widened, the shoulders of the car, as we said, with carbon fiber, and then covered in the same color as the rest of the car. See the carbon fiber diffuser at the back. This obviously also having active aerodynamics, shoving the air up here at a certain point and speed, and the rest of the time to the back. But the masterpiece is this over here, the housing for the exhaust system and the exhaust system itself that stretches all the way forward to that gorgeous V12. This is where it all comes together, and this beautiful, beautiful ducktail that's been integrated into the rear of this car. Oh, I love this car. I just love it so much. Gosh, this thing is so gorgeous. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, adios.
Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. I'm on dirt road all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone.
Oh, guys, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, hang on a second. You didn't think you're going to get away that easily without subscribing to our channel? Oh yes. So if you haven't yet, then feel free to like and subscribe. Knock that little reminder bell. That way you're going to be notified every time we upload a new video. Yes, you can also follow us on Instagram, Novitec Group, or me personally, Beyond a Cock. And you can also tell me what you think about this key. How do you like that? And also, listen to this. Hear that? It's not making rattly noises because it's proper keys. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. 'Cause I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone.
Come on, Louise.